So we hit 30K. What the fuck? I know that's like not Alex Earl's numbers, but it's something for little old me. So patting myself on the back in the blue dress that boosted me. So thanks if you followed me, because you have me feeling like I'm Kylie Jenner right now. So hi, I'm Mallory. I just turned 19. I'm an Aries. For my birthday, I went to Canada to see my long distance bestie there, which is so weird. She's in Canada now. She was a Texas girl, but why are you living in an igloo? Besides it being freezing cold, some parts it was really, really fun. And let me tell you, I lived up the drinking age and everything being legal there. I'm not even a big partier, but it just felt like freedom, and the fact that I was just treated like a normal adult was like, wow, this is nice. Like, I live on my own. Why can't I? I don't understand. We got this like little Airbnb in the city downtown in Calgary, and oh my god, that is my new life goal, to live in a little downtown vibe. Every time I woke up, I was like, this is just wealth and health. Wow, my face gets so red when I touch it. Why? My actual birthday night, we were kind of lame and just went to dinner and went back because that's what I wanted. I was just tired. We spent the whole day shopping. First world problem. And it was a Thursday, so I don't even think going out and would have been that fun. It's not like a huge college town where everyone goes out on Thursdays. But we did go out Friday and Saturday. Okay. It was so much fun, but it also at the same time made me realize I'm really not missing out on that much when I go out. It's the same thing every time. Same experiences, same type of people, encounters. Yeah, so if you ever get FOMO, just remember it looks way more fun in pictures. This Glow Recipe Plump Up Cream, I don't think I'm ever going to be able to live without again. The texture of it is so good and it smells so good, which usually I hate smell, but this is like, it's everything. I love it. I feel like I already look so much better than the beginning of this vid. I just look like alive now. Another product I've been obsessed with is this Euborian CC Red Correct Cream. I recommend this to everyone. It's just the perfect like base evener. If you have any redness, obviously it covers that. But I also like to do just a teeny drop of like skin tint or something with color, because I'm low-key too white for this. And then I mix it, just wait, just so it's more of like a neutral color. And it looks scary when you first put it on, but the more you blend, the better it gets. I feel like it's the perfect amount of coverage, and it feels more like a moisturizer texture than makeup to me, which I love. And I just take like a dense foundation brush to like push it into the skin and take off a little bit more coverage. But up close, you can still see my freckles and everything. It's just even and pretty. And I'll just put concealer like wherever else I need it. Just over here where I got those random breakouts. This one's like the Mario concealer. I don't like it under my eyes, but for spot concealing, I love it because it's self-setting and doesn't move. I went to my cousin's prom the other day, and it was honestly healing for me because I never got to go. Online girl. But at the end of the day, I didn't miss all that much, to be honest. It was fun, but the TikToks and the getting ready for it was the best part of it. The only thing I would change is I was rushed the entire day because I had to do 2 girls' makeup, then get myself ready. And the drive is like 30 minutes away from me. But I managed to be on time, even early, honestly. Thank God I got a good TikTok before I left because the weather was not really thriving. It was like cloudy. So none of my pictures are giving what I wanted it to give. And the boutique I bought the dress from posted it on their Instagram. And that is like a big store for all the Texas girls. So I felt like a bad bitch. For those who have stuck around long enough for the lore of Homeboy, we're like fine. I mean, we just don't ever text, honestly, which is like both of our faults. Neither of us are good at texting, but we're friends. I just don't think anything else will come for it, which is fine. He has red flags, and that is fine with me. I'm fine with just going on a few dates. But I am seeing him tomorrow. I promise it sounds much worse than it is. Like, we really don't interact all that much. I'm just bored. But tomorrow's our first, like, dinner, and I think he said movie. I don't know if we're doing that. Dinner and movie date. So I feel like that's more serious than anything else we've done, which I don't really want to be, if I'm honest. And I'm kind of nervous because I feel like eating in front of guys is vulnerable for me. I don't know why, but it's something to do. I'm getting my eyelashes done tomorrow too, so I'm gonna feel hot. It'll be fun. This is the Refi blush in Cherry. All my makeup's like disgusting because I'm gross. I love this blush. It's like the most natural, pretty shade. It does what I want. Wonk? Wonk. What I want my pink blush to do, but I feel like sometimes it doesn't really give on natural makeup. So, why am I in my natural era? I don't know. My mom says it's maturing. I say I'm getting boring. To each their own. I think it finally looks good again because my skin's like cleared up and glowy makeup doesn't bring out the texture like it used to. So, I'm gonna embrace feeling naturally pretty because that's a good thing. I feel like my hair is finally getting long again, which I'm so happy about. You can like look back to one of my pinned videos and when I first went brown. I had kind of a midlife crisis because it was so short and I've always had long hair. But I'm feeling like myself again. The only downside though of being a brunette is my hair gets greasier so much faster because it's not like dry and soaking up all the oil my scalp makes. So I have to wash it way more often. So to my brunettes listening, what is your wash schedule? Because mine's unpredictable. It's greasy in 2 to 3 days, and on the 4th day, I really gotta wash it or I look like a sewer rat. I've been in my pinky nude lip era, so I'm using this Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut Pencil and the Kosas Wet Lip Oil and Unbuttoned. I love this. I've always looked at it in Sephora and never bit the bullet because it's just another lip gloss. I love having lip filler because it just glides so easily now. It's like 10 times faster lining my lips because I have they're not big, but pillows. It's great. This color is so good and I love the consistency. I like how this lip oil feels way more than the House Labs one. Sorry, not sorry. Now that I finished my lips, I feel like my eyes definitely need more. So I'm gonna add a little baby wing and bottom mascara and hopefully that does the trick. I can legit do this in my sleep now. Eyeliner used to be so hard for me when I was younger, but I remember the day I got it down, I felt unstoppable. I'm also gonna put some right in like the tear duct inner corner part so it lines it more. Oh yeah, needed that. I opened my window because I feel like my videos always look so dark, but I also don't know if I like the glare on my face, so oh well, we really can't figure it out over here. I'm such a good influencer. Okay, well, I definitely think that helped a lot. I like brought the inner part into a little pointy so I look more siren seductive. But yeah, thank you for 30K again, because what the fuck, and I hope you stick around, because sometimes I'm fun.